hero crate. And it's a time. It's the hero crate. Ow. It hurt my face. I poked my eye. All right. It's the hero crate. And it's time to unbox it. Hey friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. If you don't know who I am, I have been making geocaching videos on YouTube for 7 years, and I've made hundreds of them. If you want to join me on the adventure, make sure you subscribe. Today, I am unboxing another cache crate. Look at, it's humongous. And it's not just any cache crate, it is the hero crate. The hero crate is a huge box of geocaching stuff. It's a much bigger cache crate and it's filled with all kinds of amazing geocaching goodies. It comes out 4 times a year. This is the spring one. Even though it doesn't look like spring outside, look. I'm still smelling the roses. Look, new flowers. Okay, so you guys, I have never unboxed a hero crate before. I'm pumped to see what's in here. All right, first thing, paper. That tells you what's on it. You don't want to look at that because you want to keep it a surprise. Oh, yes. Yes. That is a huge ammo can. 50 cal sucker, and it's full of stuff. It's full of stuff. Let's unbox the ammo can. Notice something about this. Not one, but 2 little latches to unlatch. All right. Oh. It's another ammo can inside the ammo can. It's like geocaching nesting dolls. All right, there's stuff in here. Oh, but I'm seeing stuff. I'm seeing stuff already. Let's see. What's the first thing I see? Geocaching.com patch. Learn and Live. What is this? Pocket how-to guide with photos. Part of the Learn and Live card collection. This is like survival cards. Find your way without a compass or map. This is perfect for geocaching because what if your phone dies? What if your batteries die on your GPS? How do you get out of the woods? The Learn and Live cards, of course. What else have we got? This is just delightful. We've got Planetary Pursuit Geocoin. There it is. Oh, so shiny. I'm covering up the tracking number. I'm a space explorer, are you? This thing is heavy and it has heft to it. I already sent one of these out into the wild, but it is a trackable tag to go with it. What is this? Oh, I totally know what this is. This is called a mystery square. And if you don't want to be square, it's a diamond. No, I don't know what this is. What is this? I gotta look at the sheet. Found it. Oh, I don't have one of these. It's a coin display holder and stand. I can display my coin with this thing. Okay. Oh, it opens up. Squeaky. Oh. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. I need about 100 of these, guys. That is so cool. Now we're gonna check out ammo can number 2. Oh, we don't have 1, we don't have 2, we have 3. 3 of these like preform geocaches, and comes along with these logs that like fan out. Getting a little toasty, perfect for fanning yourself off. I'm my biggest fan. That's funny, right? This is interesting. Earth, Mars, Moon to scale. Look at this. It is marbles of the Earth, the Moon, and Mars. All right, I got it open. Check this out. Not only are it marbles of planets and stuff, but the geocaching logo is also on it. I got the whole world in my hands. Look at, there's a little stand for them. It's got a little pouch that you can keep them in. So that's where you're going, Earth. It's a water bottle survival kit. What's all in this? 80mm carabiner, 5-in-1 compass, whistle, flint, waterproof capsule, emergency blanket, emergency poncho, another carabiner with a compass and a light, a multi-tool, a non-woven towel, band-aids, sewing kit, and paracord spool. Oh my gosh. If you brought this thing could seriously save your life someday. There is one more thing in the hero crate. Oh, cute. It is a Shawn and Friends Go Geocaching Coloring and Activity book. If you don't know what this is, the Podcaster Podcast. put out a coloring book a couple years ago, and Shawn is on here with his friends and they're geocaching. And look, there's all kinds of fun geocaching activity pages on here. Holy cow, guys, what a treat the Hero Crate is. So much geocaching goodies, so things I can hide, things I can use, things I can put on my shelf to display my coins, things I can survive with. So if you guys are interested in the Cache Crate, which comes out monthly, or the Hero Crate, which comes out quarterly, all the information will be at cachecrate.com. You can check it out there, you can sign up, and you too can get a geocaching holiday delivered straight to your mailbox. So thank you, Lisa from cacheadvance.com, for sending me all these awesome goodies. I will put them to good use, probably on future videos. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do enjoy these unboxings, let me know, and maybe I'll continue to do them. All right, guys, see you later. I got some geocaches to hide.